my friends. Good afternoon, good evening, good day. This is abstechnoholic presenting you Fossil Sports Watch unboxing. This is a 4th gen sports watch that got released last year, and we will just unbox and see what all we get in this box. And I will also explain you what is the hardware specifications and what do we expect out of this watch. So without any further ado, we'll start unboxing this watch. So first, this is the outer box we received from Fossil, and this is the seal. So the model number is mentioned here, and nothing much on this outer box. Let's get into this and see what is there. This is the box we have got. So this is the watch actual box which was inside the black box that we just removed out of. There is nothing much mentioned on it. It just says powered by Wear OS by Google, and then Fossil branding smartwatch, sports smartwatch, and it also says it is compatible with iPhone and Android both. And let's see what is there behind the box. Nothing much mentioned here, just it says it is compatible with Android 4.4 plus, and then it also says iOS, Bluetooth, everything. It needs Bluetooth 4.2 and plus, and we will get in. Let's see what's inside for us. This is how it looks from out. So this is the watch, and this is the power connector. The Samsung watch comes with a dock, wireless dock actually. This one does not. It's a connector. So see, we have a metal connector which connects to the watch, and it's a magnetic one. See, magnetic one. We'll keep this aside, and the unfortunate part is we don't get the brick to charge it. We have to use or manage your own one. So let's see what's actual watch itself. So this is the watch. So while I'm doing this, I'll just tell you the basic specifications of this. This watch has 1.2-inch OLED display, and the resolution is 390 by 390. So let's boot. So while it's booting, we'll just see other specs. It has Snapdragon 3100 platform CPU, and it comes with 4 GB of internal storage and 512 MB RAM. It also has NFC, built-in GPS. That's very good actually for this price range. That is 10,000. I got it for only 10,000. GPS, and it also has Wi-Fi BGN technology, and it has Bluetooth 4.2 low profile chip. And the sensors, it has all the adequate sensors required. It has accelerometer, altimeter, ambient light sensor, and gyroscope and heart rate. So this is the pedometer and the heart rate sensor. So it also has voice microphone where we can use it for OK Google, or you can use any third-party app which uses command. And it has Wear OS 2.7, which is the latest one. So secondly, it is 5 ATM water resistance. That means you can use it while swimming as well. And unfortunately, Google Fit does not have swimming tracking app inbuilt. You need to download a third-party app. I'll again come back with a video where I will show which apps would support fitness tracking for swimming. and also I will show you how to connect this phone to a watch, and what all features do we get, what all watch faces, how to customize. Everything will be shown to you in my next video. So that's all for this video. I will leave all the links in the description below to purchase this watch and similar specification watches approximately with the same price range in India. Please let me know if you need another video which I'll show all the like customization and how to connect it to Android phone or iPhone. I will show everything. And I also have this smartwatch, that is Galaxy Watch 42mm. If you want, I will also make a video which like I'll compare like what are the difference between the Samsung watch and this watch. Thank you, and if you're new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you, and stay safe, avoid corona. Thank you.